I'm Sarah Buff
Welcome to 555 Lenox Avenue.
for the Savoy West, apartment 3C.
Let's go upstairs and take a look.
Welcome to this airy and quiet one-bedroom condo with west-facing exposure. Not only does apartment 3C have high ceilings and a great layout, it also has a balcony. You enter through a long and wide foyer and are immediately entranced by the lovely outdoor space and view. Continue on and you will see light hardwood floors in excellent condition. The bright living room has a nook for your home office. The modern marble kitchen has stainless steel appliances and ample storage space. The bedroom has an ensuite bath with a deep soaking Kohler tub and custom California closets that will fit all your clothing needs. If that isn't enough closet space for you, this apartment comes with its own very large deeded storage in the basement that has been upgraded and fully outfitted. The Savoy West is an amenity-rich building with a landscaped roof deck, fitness center that is currently getting a fresh renovation, residence lounge, laundry room, and a virtual doorman. Built in 1910, the condo conversion in 2007 retained the pre-war charm while modernizing the interiors. Close to the 2, 3, and BC trains, pet, investor, and pied-à-terre friendly. Come and experience this airy and quiet one-bedroom condo with private balcony for yourself.